Alright, so this week we're on the little Mazda here. I have a vacuum exhaust valve in there and it's been rattling on me for a while. And it's just a takeoff of a BMW. I got a BMW muffler I got at work, so I have another one here. Gonna go ahead and test it, make sure it doesn't rattle, and then assuming it's good, go ahead and cut it off this. It's actually a Maserati muffler, and then cut the one off my exhaust and just swap them out. Hopefully this one will be quiet because I'm tired of listening to the rattle go down the road. But it's nice because it's quiet when you're just cruising, and then it gets loud when you step on the gas. So hoping to retain that and just get rid of the rattle. Shouldn't be too bad. It off. I just got to get the valve cut off here. I kind of forgot how little space I had, so I need to cut somewhere around there. On the bottom here, we're going to be somewhere around there. I'm going to try and keep as much as I can, so we'll see. Alright, so I got it cut off. I got the new one cut off, the old muffler. It's in my hand here. Now I just gotta get it welded on. So got it welded together. Just need to get it installed and be ready to go. Exactly what I was looking for. Nice and quiet. Well, it's pretty drastic when the valve closes, and all I got back there is a couple of glass packs, but